Okay, in this video, we're going to look at how to factor when the lead coefficient is not 1 using the slip and slide method. So please remember that this is if I have 3x squared plus 13x plus 4, okay, this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. I'm going to do A times C, A times C. So I'm going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay. And then it must add up to B, which is 13. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to 12 and add up to 13. And it's the one everyone forgets, 12 times 1. So now I'm going to write x plus 12, x plus 1. The problem is I have an A. In order to create this easy, quick factoring, I used my A. I now need to eliminate A in my final answer. So at first I used it as multiplication. So to eliminate it, I use division. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 12 divides by 3 nicely. So I simply write x plus 4. 1 divided by 3, not so nice. So this is slip and slide. That 3 is going to go in front. So that leaves me with 3x plus 1. Okay. Let's move on and look at another one. Okay. In this one, I have 5x squared minus 18x plus 9. And I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to do A times C. So A times C. So 5 times 9 gets me to 45. And I need two numbers that multiply to give me 45 and add up to negative 18. So because 45 is positive, I'm just going to come up with two numbers that add up to 18. And I'm going to make them both negative because a negative times a negative is a positive. So two numbers that multiply to 45 and add up to 18 would be 15 and 3. Use your factor or multiplication chart if you need to come up with that. And so then it's x minus 15 and x minus 3. Okay, now because I had an A, I need to remove that A that I used before. So I'm going to divide each of these by my A, which was 5. Okay, 15 divides by 3. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. X minus 3. 3 does not, over here, 3 does not divide by 5 nicely. So the 5 goes out front. So I get 5x minus 3. So it's really very similar to when A is 1. The only added step is we multiply by A here at the beginning, and then we divide by it here at the end. I hope you found this helpful.